In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to remove the ransomware called Xcvf. Xcvf is the ransomware type infection that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. So it is called Xcvf because this particular ransomware encrypts the files, and then after the encryption is successfully accomplished, the ransomware adds this special Xcvf extension to the files. So it is not possible to use the files anymore. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open any file types, but unfortunately, certain computers are not properly protected against malware or ransomware attacks, often resulting in the essential damage being made to the files. So customers may restart their computers and then they suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. Pretty soon they see that even the icons, the desktop icons of some of their files have been changed, and all other files stored in other folders and on other hard drives have also been changed and encrypted by this specific Xcvf ransomware. These are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You can see that when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Xcvf extension. So, no matter what file you try to open, you get this message saying that it is not possible to open the file with the Xcvf extension. The ransomware tries to force its victims into paying the ransom for file restoration and decryption. In fact, the ransom amount is $980 American dollars. But paying the ransom, of course, is the waste of your money, and there is no guarantee that you will get your files back if you pay the ransom. We, first of all, recommend you to carefully check your task manager. Most likely, you will find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background. Typically, these are the processes with long random names. If you find them, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. Considering removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and start carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in this trial mode. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying the majority of threats such as adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, unwanted browser extensions, spyware, and of course ransomware such as Xcvf. I want you to pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It's a handy and very useful feature that allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats altogether. This is the best way to protect your files from being damaged in the future.